What's up, everybody? We are here at Lapeer Dragway for Peso's race. We're just here to kind of take a spectator view, give you guys an idea of what we do at these tracks. It's not real busy today. Car count's kind of down, but there's a really nice cars, so I just kind of doing a walkthrough in the pits, and then we're gonna get up to the starting line. I'll get you a bunch of good views. There's some stuff here. We have, like, this is the streetcar stuff. How pretty that red Camaro is. Beautiful. You know, there's bikes. Can't go to the racetrack without a Malibu.
You want to go sit down, or let's go check out these cars and then go sit down? Wouldn't you get to the tape for it?
Finding anything?
Just looking around.
How you doing?
Good, how are you?
Doing very good. What up, everybody? We're at the starting line. I'm gonna take a little walk, give you kind of an idea of what it is. So, if you come up here, you got your water box. So, show them, Noah, the water box. You be my explanation.
Water box, right? So, it's a box. It's actually the burnout box, but they put water in it, so it's called a water box. Ah, you see what they did there?
How they do the,
pull your tire up to
burnouts.
like, pull your wheel up to like right here, right where the water ends. Then you got water around the whole entire wheel, and then you whop it, and you start your burnout, and you get her going. Ask the driver, he knows.
So, there's radial burnouts, and then there's no prep burnouts. So there's a difference. The radial, you don't want to go past the starting line.
Let off at the starting line.
You let off about 20 feet before the starting line and let the tires hook. Okay, and then you roll out into the glue, and you get the glue, and then you bring it back, and then you back up into your tracks. Like, see, here's the groove. But if I was lining somebody up,
yeah, right there. That's where I was thinking.
right here in the edge.
Yep.
I put it half on
the sticky's not where
I put half on the track and half on the glue with this one. That's just what I would do. And then, like here, just because the actual
right here
line,
there's less grip than if you put.
and it has the timing marks there, so that there's the pre, and then there's the stage. Go ahead and hit the pre.
Now go ahead right there on the beam.
Stage.
And then it'll go green. We got a car.
It's a Vietnam helicopter. Look, they got them tied down so it don't spin in the air.
everything I ever. You're as empty as my pocket. From the start, where you start down to the bottom of the ship. Low down freedom, you don't cost me everything I ever.
Lunch. What's up, everybody? Radiator installation. So, should be able to no, that's gonna work. This is turning out really nice.
Yeah, I can't do the same thing on this side.
This is where they flip the hood. Yeah, the kink looks like it's a little over here.
No, I'm saying it isn't kinked here like it is on that side, so I should be able to stick a hammer in there and then just press this back up.
Yeah, like
Because I can't access under the firewall on this side.
right. The other side, we pop this grommet out and can see right in the car, and then come over here and push this up to where now he's got it more flat to work with to make it look better. That there's where they pop the hood off and up. Driving down the road, they didn't latch it, and before I owned it, and it lifted up and kinked it. Fortunately, the roof isn't all blown out. Usually the roof's blown out with it. So this was a minor win, I'm assuming. I bought this car from the neighbor before the one neighbor that was Matt. It was the one before him. His name was Ben. We had this car in the backyard.
Before the old man that was there before.
Yup.
Mr. Smith.
Yep. And I got it from him for I think $1,200, and I told him the only thing I need is the shell. Yeah. And that's what I went over there, helped me pull the motor, the trans, all of it out, and when it's done, I pretty much only use the shell.
Right.
I mean, I didn't even use the front of the car.
Right.
But my friend Frenchie, he was like, when I knew you cut that off, that's when I knew we were getting serious. I said, well, yeah, we're getting serious. Right? A little serious in part shelf. That's where everything goes. So what I've done now is I removed the shifter. I've removed all this stuff in here to where we're gonna be able to put a fresh coat of paint in here and just tidy it up. Not a whole lot. Just keeping, just simplifying everything is really what I'm doing. So to wrap it up this week, we got a lot done. We got to go to the racetrack. We got to experience what it's like to go out there and walk down the track and show you what the starting line and things like that was. I hope to bring you a lot more like that. I think I'm a smart person, and I think I can help people that are learning. I've seen a lot of people at the racetrack not know what's going on, so maybe I can help somebody. So stay tuned to a whole lot more. Don't forget, like and subscribe. Leave me comments. Leave me things that you have questions about. I'm here to help, and I'm growing, and I can feel it. And it's something like 4 in the morning, and I'm wrapping this thing up, so it's going to be short. But I hope that I hope you guys have an awesome week. And I'm filming. We got a whole new video coming, and I really hope you guys enjoy this one. And please let me know what you think in the comments, because I tried really hard and it's not easy. So thank you. Have a great week. Cheesy out.